Riding your motorcycle in the rain can be fun, very, very exciting, but it can also be very dangerous and also very, very challenging. Look at this. A lot of motorcycle riders have a risk of nightmares, and one of the most horrifying nightmares for bikers, especially people with little experience, is riding their bikes in the rain, bad weather conditions. It doesn't give you a warning as to how much damage you're gonna get into as you continue riding. Rain never gives you any signs of how much you're going to suffer as you continue riding. However, for some of us, people with experience, people who have been there for over a decade riding motorcycles, sometimes it doesn't bother us completely. It doesn't bother. However, there comes those days that you really doubt yourself. Am I going to continue doing this? Is it even safe? Sometimes it gets you the long time. You did not have any rain gear with you. Yeah, never got you with rain gear. Sometimes you are even carrying some luggage that can get damaged by water. And then out of nowhere, you are riding in a very good sunrise, maybe in the morning, or sunset in the evening, or maybe during noon time. The sun is just above you, right here, and then out of nowhere, hailstorms. They get you. What do? It gets you in some places that you don't even know where to stop. You don't even have any structure around you to shield yourself. As you know, for bikers, we do not carry a lot of stuff like umbrellas and stuff like that. People with vehicles have the luxury of getting some space to keep a lot of things that they don't even need urgently. But there comes a time that you might need them. But for bikers, you only carry what you need that specific day. So when the rain gets you off guard, it becomes something that was not planned for, and sometimes very, very challenging. There are some skills that you need to learn as a biker. Riding in bad weather conditions is one of the most important skills that you need to learn. It is obvious you're going to get wet. You might even lose some stuff in the way, along the way. Some things are going to get damaged by water if you are carrying some luggage. If you are wearing some jackets or some pants that are not waterproof, you might get your gadgets like your smartphone. Some stuff will get damaged by water. Unfortunately, it happens. It has also happened to me sometimes. It happens, you get some stuff damaged. However, getting home safe yourself is the most important part of the discussion. The most important part of the discussion is you getting home safe. So, train yourself. Sometimes just wear rain gear. Deliberately get into it. Ride through the hailstorm. Train yourself how to handle foggy helmets, a lot of dirty water splashing all over, riding through potholes where you can't even see what is there. Train yourself so that the day it gets you off guard, at least you are 100% assured If you continue riding with the knowledge you have, you're gonna get home safe. My name is Meshak. I always tell you the real stuff. Train yourself how to ride in the rain. It might be fun for you, it might be a disaster, but one day it is going to get you. So, what do? Two Wheels Paradise, see you around. I'm out of here. It is a rainy season. Let's do this.